All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I went out of town for a few days, and of course I had some rigs go down. It looks like this rig went down, which it's got a 3060 Ti in it, so I need to go get that one restarted. I don't know what happened, but some power must have flickered or something, and it knocked a couple rigs all haywire. This one's got a few graphics cards not running, some 1660 Supers, so let's do a shutdown and boot in 30 seconds on that one. What else is not running? Sometimes I can go out of town and like nothing will go wrong, knock on wood. And then other times I had this rig go down. What's this got in it? 3070. Oh, it's got the A4000 rig. Yeah, I need to go check that one out. What else is down? Let's see here. I think that's it on that one. Let me check this other one real quick. Oh yeah, it's got one rig down, the 570, so I need to restart that. And then looks like we have an overheating graphics card. Okay, so I just need to it looks like the A4000 rig, maybe, and this 570. Wait, something doesn't look right here. 605 mega hash. 41 mega hash out of this entire rig. That doesn't seem right. Oh, it looks like none of those are mining. Oh wow, look at that. That looks awesome. Alright, we're gonna do a shutdown and boot in 30 seconds on that, see if we can't get it sorted out. Let's go downstairs and get those other rigs running. You've been watching my rigs while I'm gone? No? Let's turn this on. Oh, well, I hope everybody has had a great weekend. It's been a little hot down here in North Carolina. I'm sure anybody in the southeast or the south period knows about that. I heard the UK and stuff, those guys over there had a heat wave and they're burning up. So yeah, hot rig problems. Yeah, I swear a lot of my cards didn't even do like the overheat warning, but anytime it gets hotter, we just run into problems. Alright, so this is the one with the A4000 on it. I'm going to go ahead and just power it off. Power it off. We'll give it a second. This is the 570, I believe. So that one's mining. Hot. Oh, here we go. Here's that 3060 that's not doing anything. Fire that bad boy back up. Don't know why that one cut off. And yeah, this one's not doing anything. That's cold. So we'll go ahead and turn that off and we'll fire that one back up. And I think that's everything. So knock on wood. Sometimes they just need a hard restart. Go upstairs and see what's going on. I apologize. I know some of you guys don't like this behind the scenes, like diagnostic troubleshooting stuff, and other guys love it. So I just try to mix it up every now and then. I hate being like hours away and your rigs go down and like they go down to where you can't do anything. That's always the worst. Alrighty. Let's see what we're working with. Looks like this one's offline, rig 5, so we'll give that one a minute. Looks like this one's coming online. That's that 570, so that's good. Now let's go over to this farm. Looks like that 3060 Ti is coming back online. And yeah, this rig right here with the A4000, the 3070, all that stuff, that's a good amount of hash. So yeah, I'm ready to get that back up. Let me pull up my ether mine. Oh, that's not mine. That's not mine either. There we go. So out of my 3.2 gigahash I was normally at, we were down to 2.5, so I was down a solid 700 megahash, but we're still making, we're still making some solid gains right now. 2.5 gigahash, it's $55 a day, and we break that down into Ethereum, that's 0.033 Ethereum a day, or right at 1 Ethereum a month for 2.5 gigahash. So excited to get that back up to the 3.2 gigahash and rake in a little bit of that cashola. So rake in that ETH actually. But before I get off here, let's take a look at coin market cap. Let me turn this AC unit off. Sorry about that. Just for reference, guys, it is July 31st. Bitcoin's at 23,295. Ethereum's at 1,678. What else? Dogecoin 6.8 cents. Litecoin's $59.73, and we'll finish it out with Monero at $154.22. Now let's jump back over. There we go. This one started hashing. It's a little low for that 570. It's a little low for that 570. Those are doing pretty good. Let's see this other farm now. This one just came back online, but it looks like it's coming online pretty slow. So let's open up the shell and see what's going on in here. Something don't seem right. I think this 1070 was giving me issues recently. I'm gonna have to go take that thing out. Can't be having one card holding up the whole show. If it'll load. There we go. Miner. Enter. Device 2 DAG verification failed. And device 2 is, yep, it's at 1070. So I'm gonna go pull that 1070 out. Hold on, let me flip this camera around. I'm gonna go pull that 1070 out because it was giving me issues in the past, because we ain't trying to have no issues. Might take it apart, might be another video, or we might do something crazy with it. I know you guys still have that bad 1070, that we have to apparently. I did look into the YouTube guidelines, and I think if I took a pew and blew it up, that could, some people say like, oh, it's no big deal. Other people are like, demonetized. So I don't want to get a strike against the channel, so I'm gonna have to get creative about a boom for that. If you have any suggestions, drop it down below. You know, I'm thinking maybe video title, it's like our graphics cards bulletproof, but then that might not work for the old algorithm either. Anyway, yeah, so thanks for coming out, guys. We'll get back to regularly scheduled content starting tomorrow. So yeah, see you then. Peace.